Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've opened Final Cut Pro X and loaded the project. Start by selecting the clip or clips you want to adjust. Once selected, toggle Show Audio Waveforms so you can visually spot peaks and quiet sections. Make sure the inspector is visible. It's where you'll control clip gain and channel routing. Use the audio meters to watch real-time levels as you make changes. This helps prevent clipping. Now move to the clip level controls to set a baseline volume before fine-tuning with keyframes. Start by raising or lowering clip gain in the inspector using the volume slider or typing a specific dB value. This changes overall loudness without altering effects. Next, for dynamic changes over time, add volume keyframes directly on the clip's horizontal volume line. Click to add points and drag to create smooth fades or loudness ramps. Then, apply channel EQ to tame frequencies and a light compressor to control peaks. These processors make perceived volume more consistent. Keep watching meters and adjust until levels sit comfortably below clipping. Once individual clips are set, balance them against music and effects by listening and referencing the audio meters. Treat dialogue as the priority and bring other elements around it. Use roles to group dialogue, music, and SFX, then route those to auxiliary buses for easier submix control. Finally, adjust the master output so the final mix peaks safely below 0 dB. If you encounter distortion or clipping, reduce offending clip gain or the master fader, and reevaluate EQ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.